This is the cast wallet puzzle, a brand new design from Hanayama, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Koichi Miura and made by Hanayama. Difficulty level of the cast wallet is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, which is equivalent of Hanayama's 4 out of 6. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove the coins from the wallet and then put them back inside. The puzzle has 4 parts, 3 pairs of coins and a wallet itself, and each pair of coins is made of 2 coins that are connected together, and it is not that easy to remove them from the wallet, since if they were just like 6 single coins, it will be very easy to remove them, but since they come in pairs, it takes a little bit of time to figure out how to remove them. If you like the cast wallet puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So we will start by moving one of the coins out. It is the actually only move that you can do now. Then what you have to do is to take a closer look inside and find that there are 2 pairs of coins that have one thin coin and one thick coin. Like there is this pair and this on the left, and then on top there is a pair of coins that are both thin. So what you have to do next, once this piece sticks out, move this coin. It is now like that, but you have to move it to the left and this part goes up. Next, you grab this coin, lift it up, tilt the wallet in such a way that the other double coin with a thick and this thin part comes out like that. Next, what we have to do here is to move this coin like that and move it up here. This coin goes up. Make sure that you hold it right in here near the exit. If you put it inside like that and hold it here, this will be the wrong move. So you have to kind of stick it out like that. Then you move this coin under the coin that you're holding with your hand, put it all the way up, and now you have just enough space to remove the first coin, and then you can easily remove the rest of the coins and the puzzle is solved. And that was the solution of the cast wallet puzzle. As you can see, there are 2 types of coins, as I mentioned, one with a thin and thick coin like that, and other with 2 exactly the same thickness coins. So great puzzle, nice design, new design from Hanayama. If you like the cast wallet and you want to buy it or you want to try some other great puzzles from Hanayama, go to puzzlemaster.ca.